Warahmatullahi Wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
I'm fine, thank you. And you?
Okay, I'm fine too, thank you. Are you ready for the lesson today?
Yes, I'm ready.
Before we start our class today, let's pray together by reciting Basmalah.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
Okay, now we are going to learn about adverb of quantity. Anyone know what is adverb of quantity?
No.
If there is no one know about what is adverb of quantity, please listen to me, okay?
Okay.
Adverb of quantity. Adverb quantity is divided into two types. The first one is countable noun, and the second is uncountable noun. What is the first is countable noun, the second is uncountable noun. Okay, anyone know what is countable noun?
Used for object that can be counted.
Yes, that's right. Countable noun is used for objects that can be counted. Yes, 100 for you, Pika. And then, how about uncountable noun? Uncountable noun is used for objects that cannot be counted. Do you understand? Yes?
Yes.
Yes. The example of countable noun is many, and then a few. Please listen to me and repeat after me, okay?
Okay.
Repeat after me. Many.
Many.
Yeah. Many.
Many.
A few.
A few.
A few.
A few.
Okay, that's right. Okay, next. Uncountable noun. The example is, please repeat after me. Much.
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 Yes, that's right. Little.
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 Yes, good. And then, how about some and a lot of? Some and a lot of. Some and a lot of can be used in uncountable noun and also uncountable noun. So, if we use some, the example is I have some books at home. Please repeat after me. I have some books at home.
At home.
I have some books at home.
I have some books at home.
Okay, that's right. And then in uncountable noun is, the example is she bought some sugar to my house. She bought some sugar to my house. Okay. Do you understand about this material?
Yes.
Do you understand? Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Okay, my students, now we are going to continue our material. This material is about preposition of place. Anyone know what is preposition of place? Preposition of place. What is the example?
On.
Yes, on. What else?
In.
Yes, in. What else?
Under.
Under. Under. What else?
Below.
Below. Below. And then?
In front.
In front. In front. In front of. Okay. Do you understand? Okay, my dear students. After we know about preposition of place, we are continue to learn about how to use there is and they are. There is used for singular noun, and then they are is used for plural noun, and also there is can be used to uncountable noun. What is the example? The example of using there is and they are is there is a book on the desk. Okay, in this example, we are using there is with singular noun, and then on is preposition place. Okay, do you get it?
Yes.
Okay, the next is use there. There are books on the table. Okay, there we use there is and we use there with plural noun and also preposition on. Okay, do you get it? Okay, my students, from this explanation, there is question?
No.
If there is no question for this lesson today, we can get conclusion. The conclusion is we can know about adverb of quantity, and then we can know about preposition of place, and also we know how to use there is and they are. Is it right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, I think that's all the lesson today. Before we end the lesson, let's say Hamdalah together.
Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alamin.
Okay, my dear students, thank you so much for your nice attention. The lesson, Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.